Hello, year 6. I'm going to explain about calculating the new temperature and involving negative numbers. Let's start with our first objective. In calculating the new temperature, we're going to use rise, increase, fall, or drop when calculating the new temperature. And also, you need to solve word problems involving temperature. So this is our first objective. Don't forget that we are going to use rise and mostly fall or drop. Here, let's start our first example. And again, when we calculate the new temperature, for now you're going to use number line. And I already explained to you, when the temperature goes up or rises, it gets warmer. And if it goes down, or we say fall or drops, temperature getting colder. Let's start with our first example. The temperature this morning is -4 degrees Celsius and it rises 7 degrees Celsius. If you could see here, we are already using the word rises. When it rises, what will happen? The temperature gets warmer, or it is warmer. So now, what is the new temperature? So it goes up 7 times from -4. How many times? 7 times from -4. Let's check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you stop. So what will be our new temperature now? Our new temperature is 3. Okay? And it is warmer. So the temperature is warmer because it rises. Let's go to the next example. Okay, now it is 5 degrees Celsius. So the temperature now is 5 degrees Celsius. It drops 9 degrees Celsius. What is the new temperature? So the first example, we use the word rises. Now it drops. So when it rises, the temperature gets warmer. But what do you think if the temperature drops? So when it rises, getting warmer, and when it drops, the temperature is getting colder. So let's start. It goes down because it drops means it goes down 9 times. So, or we are going to move down 9 times. We start from where? 5 degrees Celsius. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So where did we stop? So the new temperature now is -4 degrees. Okay? And the temperature is colder. Another example. Let's read together. In London, the temperature this morning was 8 degrees Celsius. It falls. So I use the word falls. So remember, falls is the same as drops. 5 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. What is the temperature in the afternoon? Let's use our number line to show. So in the morning, the temperature was 8 degrees Celsius. So let's circle 8 degrees Celsius. And it says it falls 5 degrees Celsius. Therefore, if it falls, it will go to the left. So let's move 5 times. So let's start from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So where did we stop? We stopped in 3. Therefore, the new temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. Understood? Okay, let's move to the next example. The temperature in Bahrain yesterday was 32 degrees Celsius. It is 5 degrees Celsius hotter. So when we say hotter, it's the same thing as warmer today. What is the temperature in Bahrain today? Are we going to move down or we are going to move up? That means to say the temperature rises. It went up from 32 degrees. So this is 32. We are going to move 5 times to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what will be this number? Let's count. 32, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So the new temperature in Bahrain now is 37 degrees Celsius. That's why it is hotter. 37 degrees Celsius is hotter than 32 degrees Celsius. Okay. See now, temperature is 32 degrees, 5 degrees Celsius hotter, so it rises. So the new temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. Now, another one. The temperature in Dubai yesterday was 40 degrees Celsius. It is 9 degrees Celsius colder. So when it's colder, that means to say it drops. Okay, what is the temperature in Dubai today? Therefore, if it's hotter, we are moving to the right. If it is colder, we are going to move to the left or we are going to move down. Let's start with 40 degrees. And we will move 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so 1, 30, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, and 31. So therefore, the new temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. Okay? Or you can say 40 minus 9. Okay, it's very easy, isn't it? So the new temperature in Dubai is 31 degrees. So we have already answered this in the class. Then you can just go and explain it again. I answer it again. Okay. Let's see you again in the next video.